Hello, welcome to Wander Financial. Today I just want to give you a quick overview of our current trades. I'm going to start by looking at the S&P 500. You can see the cycles have been nice and consistent here. We can look back a little bit. Nice and consistent timing. And we're just early into this latest cycle and everything's looking bullish. So let's take a look at our current trades. We're in NVDA, currently up about 9% on this one. We bought this right here as it came through the 20-day. Kind of gave us a nice buy signal. The SOX index, semiconductor index at the time, was giving a nice buy signal as well. So this trade's looking great. We got a gap fill. There was a gap back here to fill at 227.07. We filled that a couple days ago and have now managed to blow through that. So pretty much clear sailing up here. There's not a lot of resistance. Our target right now is about 279. We'll just see how that goes. We'll keep moving our stop up as we go along. We're in Disney. Disney we bought just a couple days ago as it broke through the 20-day here. So far it's just been chopping around. This one's down about $1 right now. Nothing too exciting here. We'd like to see a nice settle above the 20-day. So far we're not getting it, but nothing to be too worried about. CDNS. We bought this at 67.86. This one's looking good, up about 4% in 3 days. We bought it as it came through the 20-day. This is a nice setup with all the moving averages piled up here. There was just it was ready to blow up, and we had nice momentum going for 2 days already. So we bought it here, and it's followed through nicely. Not much to say about that. We're up 2% today with the market flat, so it's looking good. Let's look at oil. Oil has been in a nice, strong uptrend since October, straight up. We caught MRO just as it really was blowing up here. So really nothing fundamentally bearish right now. So everything's looking good. We're going to take a look at MRO. Our MRO trade's up about 11% right now. We bought this at 12.19 right back here. So you can see we punched right through our first resistance level here at 12.97. Our target right now is 13.79, just below the 200-day. What we'll probably look to do here with this one is just maybe sell like 5%, sell 1/3 of our trade at that level. What we'd like to see is have it blow right through the 200-day. If it does that, then we should have a pretty good run, clear run right up to 14.37-ish. Where we'll find some more resistance, and then we can make a decision at that point. You can see, I mean, the stock has plenty of upside potential. Whether it can continue that much, we're not sure, but you know, it'd be nice to just be able to follow it along with moving the stops up. We've got 2 trades in gold right now, or in the gold and silver miners. Gold, we are hoping this was the ICL, the twice yearly cycle lows. Not entirely sure still. It's struggled here the past 4 out of the 5 days. It's popped through the 50-day, but settled below it. There's still a chance that we could sink into a lower low here. But as of right now, it looks okay. Everything's just moving along sideways. Our particular trades, we've got PAAS. This one's really moving nicely. We bought this at 20.46. Must have been right about here. And it's going well. It's up nicely. We're up about 5% on that trade. Our stops are moved up well above break even now. So no matter what happens with this one, we should end up with a nice profit. Barrick Gold's another one. We bought this at 17.60 here, and it's just been chopping along sideways. So nothing too exciting there. But we are up a little bit on that. And that is it. That's our. We've got 6 positions on right now. Everything's looking pretty good. And nothing to worry about. We keep moving the stops up. I think at least 4 or 5 of those are already above at break even or above break even. So we should be locking in some winners on this, no matter what happens with the market. So that is it. Thanks for listening. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.